Hi, my name is Kevin Mendoza. This is my introductory post for Law and Ethics in IT. I'm an information technology management major. My experience comes from working with a small company focusing on IT solutions, completing my bachelor's degree in computer information technology through CBU, aiding in the construction of a mobile network for a construction company during the pandemic, setting up tablet services, WebEx, things of that nature, just so they can communicate on the job and at home. Let's see, let's go to the next slide. Some interesting facts about me is I love to golf in my spare time. I coach youth athletics, mainly baseball. I work for a school district currently, and I'm looking to get into the IT department for the school district that I work for. I actually have a job interview coming up soon, so wish me a little bit of luck. I graduated from CBU back in 2020, and now I'm looking to go ahead and pursue my master's degree. I also worked for 2 years as a small photographer for a company doing promotions and things of that nature. So I like to integrate some of my photography skills and my editing skills, if I can, into my IT work. Thank you for your time. I look forward to getting to know all of you and working together. I also try and set up some study groups if anybody's interested. Please feel free to email me. My email is kevina.mendoza@calbaptist.edu. Thank you very much for your time.